In an ever-changing healthcare environment where patient expectations are constantly on the rise, you need the right tools to keep up. How can you really seize the opportunities of today with the same old technology and workflows of the past? To stay ahead, you need a reliable, secure, and dedicated healthcare device that goes with you and reacts dynamically to changing environments. Forgo the fragile, limited consumer-grade devices. Go for a highly versatile tablet that delivers long-lasting, enterprise-grade performance and saves your budget. One that's powerful enough to withstand drops, spills, or even full shift operation. And reliable enough to connect you to the applications and people you need, anytime, anywhere. An affordable, fully featured device that offers integrated scanning for wristbands and medication, but also a life-saving alert button that gets you critical help fast. Screens large enough for data-rich applications, and plastics durable enough to withstand constant disinfecting. Enable your teams to deliver better care, whether that means patient admissions, delivering telehealth, or patient engagement at bedside. Your caregivers can now work at the top of their license to get it all done and more with the all-new Zebra ET4x healthcare tablets. So solve your healthcare challenges the right way. Empower your teams with a tablet that streamlines workflows and restores more time for care. The ET40-HC and ET45-HC, rugged tablets built to meet the demands of healthcare and your budget.